guys, Eric with Muscle Cars there coming at you for another episode of What's in Your Garage. Today we are in Kingman, Arizona, standing in front of Bad Gas Garage, the coolest, baddest to the bone muscle car repair garage in the whole freaking world. We're right here in Kingman, Arizona, the heart of Route 66. Behind me here, I don't know if you can see it, 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge, freaking convertible, only here on Muscle Cars there. You guys get to see the coolest shit in the world. Stick around for more right here.
The Pontiac GTO is often called the car that launched the muscle car era. And by 1969, it had evolved into a full-blown cultural icon. This convertible carries a 400 cubic inch V8, plenty of muscle for both Main Street and America's open highways. The story really goes back to Pontiac's chief engineer, John DeLorean. He was young, ambitious, and not afraid to bend the rules. At the time, GM had a ban on putting engines bigger than 330 cubic inches into its intermediate cars. DeLorean and his team found a loophole. They offered $389 as an option package in a Tempest. That simple gamble created a legend. By 1969, the GTO was so successful that every manufacturer, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, was chasing Pontiac's formula. The 69 brought refinements like hidden headlights, revised grille in bold colors like this one, Carousel Red, a paint choice that defined the era. And Pontiac wasn't shy of an attitude either. That same year they introduced the Judge package, marketed with the line "All Rise for the Judge." It is pure swagger on wheels. This convertible pairs that Carousel Red with white top and interior, giving it a striking contrast. Muscle and style in one package. Slide behind the wheel and you see why Pontiac sold the GTO as both a performance car and a lifestyle statement. And here in Kingman, Arizona, right on Route 66, it feels perfectly at home. This stretch of road was built for cars with the GTO. Top down, V8 rumble, and the open desert in front of you. At Bad Gas Garage, surrounded by some of the wildest builds in the region, this Pontiac still manages to stand tall. More than 50 years later, the GTO still represents a turning point in American car culture. A convertible that captured freedom, power, and style in a way the few cars ever have. This is the legend of Pontiac and the legacy of John DeLorean, live on Route 66.
All right, man. This is Eric, Muscle Cars with Eric, and I got my best friend in the whole wide world here, Jim. And he's got this beautiful 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge convertible, and I saw it's got a 400 cubic inch engine in it, right?
Correct.
So, Jim, talk to us about this car. Off camera, you mentioned you had like 21 trophies with it. However, when did you first get this car?
I bought this car 10 years ago out of Tennessee.
Okay.
And I went out there to look at some Chevelles. The guy had a couple Chevelles for sale. And I thought, well, there's so many Chevelles in Kingman. I want something different.
Okay.
So I ended up, this guy uncovered just the hood of this thing, and that's a GTO. I'll take it.
Really? Now you trailered it back, of course.
Yeah, I trailed it back here because I had to leave my camper somewhere.
Oh, yeah, I got you. No, I understand totally.
The car was more important than the camper.
No, of course, yep, I get you there, man. And this is a beautiful car, too. Now, I understand this color, it is orange, but didn't they call it like some red or something?
Yeah, it's Carnival Red.
Carnival Red,
yes.
But it's orange.
Orange.
But it's Carnival Red.
Carnival Red.
God bless GM, right? Wasn't DeLorean the guy behind the Pontiac GTO at the time?
No.
No? Okay, all right.
No, it was a guy actually named Judge.
Really?
Yes. His last name was Judge. That's where they came up with the name Judge.
Oh, I recall hearing something about that.
Yes.
That is cool. Well, this is true iconic muscle car, 1969.
Right.
Now, since you've had it, have you done anything to it at all?
I rebuilt the motor.
Okay.
Still a original motor into it.
Right.
Transmission's been rebuilt. It's got a 400 RT transmission into it.
Okay.
It's strictly set up for drag strip.
Nice.
It kicks when it kicks into gear.
That's pretty cool. Now that reminds me, are we gonna be able to take this for a ride?
Yeah.
Sweet. He says, yeah, like, oh, yeah, of course we are. We're right here in the heart of Route 66, right?
Right.
Kingman, Arizona, in front of Bad Gas Garage. So now, you've had this car for 10 years, you said, about that?
Right.
Okay. So talk to us about it. Did you do anything with the interior?
Yeah.
Come on over here.
I changed out the It used to have a bench seat in the front. I put bucket seats into it
Okay, very nice.
and built my own console, just temporary.
That's pretty cool, though. This it looks like it's really comfortable to ride in.
Yeah, the rest of it is all original inside. All the interior is original inside.
Oh, no kidding?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is really neat.
Never been redone. Like I said, it was a barn kept car.
Okay.
And then the guy he bought it from another dude, which brought it into his lot, and he didn't know what. She expressed what the hell he wanted for it.
Okay.
The wife and I stood there for almost two to 3 hours waiting for him to make up a decision how much he wanted for the car.
Really?
And finally I made him an offer, and he said, "Sounds good to me."
Wow. So can I ask how much you paid for it?
I paid 18 grand.
That's it?
Yeah. And now it's worth 121,000.
Absolutely it is. Oh my word. Are these the original?
Everything's original.
No. This is just like really cool. And you gotta love, come on with me, you gotta love rolling around with the top down, right?
Oh yeah.
Makes you feel like you're somebody.
A nice tan.
Hollywood, yeah, exactly right, dude. That's cool, man. Look at this. I love this.
So it needs new bumpers and stuff on it.
Oh, it's going to, but you know, the beauty about having a car like this is it's the real deal muscle car, and it's a Judge.
Yes.
So how often do you get to drive this?
I drive it daily.
Do you really? God, that is so cool.
Probably since I've owned it 10 years, I probably put 40,000 miles on this.
That is so cool. That's what you're supposed to do, man.
Right. I got one other one in my garage. It's not a Judge or anything, but it's a 49 Chevy,
Okay.
and that's set up strictly for street drags.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Thing hauls ass.
Well, this one hauls ass too, you said, right? Look at this. This is so cool. Dual exhaust. Anything done to the trunk at all, or no?
Oh, it's been hit once
Oh,
by a asshole in Home Depot.
well, that's never
He
fun.
backed up on a truck and dug right into the trunk. Hit this shit right here in the center. Hit the spin right into the trunk.
You gotta be kidding me. In a parking lot.
Yeah, so I take everything down to the body shop. He wouldn't take my car in there. He didn't want to leave it in the body shop.
Right? I'll be damned. Man, what size tires are these?
Hell if I know.
They're big.
So they sent the Bureau of Automotive.
I got to replace them someday.
Well, you do, but you don't want to leave any on the pavement, huh?
Well, we'll see if it does it.
All right. And I love the fuzzy dice, man.
So did all of that. Got it all together.
Are those original gauges?
Yeah. Oh, down the bottom? No.
Okay.
Up the top, they're all disconnected.
Well, let me get up there.
Put them down so I can see them. Everybody thinks I should go to a 4-speed on this. Nope, keeping the original as I can.
So everybody knows that I refer to the engine as a diamond in the setting. Obviously, you have a beautiful setting here. So can we pop the hood and take a look at the engine?
Yeah, let me grab my bag here.
Okay. Stick around for more. We're going to take a look at this 400 cubic inch Pontiac GTO engine.
And I want it down here so I can confirm it. Yeah, so we got it down there and I can confirm it.
So talk to us about this 400.
Yeah, when I first bought it, I only had 2-barrel onto it.
Okay.
400 2-barrel. So I brought it home and changed the intake manifold, put the 4-barrel into her. I got a 750 Holly under there.
Nice.
Or Edelbrock, excuse me,
Okay,
Edelbrock.
okay, gotcha. Yep.
You know, I had a Holly onto it, but I took the Holly off because it was leaking all the time.
Oh, that's never
So
good.
I put Edelbrock back on.
Okay. This is just like really cool, man. And this is the original engine. You just did some internal work to it?
Yep, just rebuilt it.
Okay.
Pulled it out on a Monday and had it back in by Sunday.
No kidding. That's cool. Down Beale, Route 66, Kingman, Arizona, the heart of Route 66. And Jim, it's got to be a riot driving this car, isn't it?
That is great.
Look at this. This is so cool. A 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge Convertible. That doesn't get much better than this.
I got the cops don't even bother me usually when.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
We were giving Germans a ride one time, and me and another guy, he's got a dragster. Him and I, the only two cars that really were picked to give people a ride.
Oh, nice.
You know, everybody was standing in line waiting for me to come back.
No shit, really. That's cool. And KPD allowed that.
Well, the cops sat down there. They didn't say no.
No, that's cool. Good, good, good.
But him and I were both coming out dragging each other up the street.
Oh, nice.
Got a little bit of kick.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's a set up for drags on this transmission.
That's cool.
A lot of fun. It's hot as hell though.
I bet it does. It is a lot of fun though, man. Listen again, a convertible in Arizona, Route 66, cruising this thing, man. Life doesn't get much better than this.
Yeah, it's a muscle car, but it's an older muscle car.
Well, it's still actually one of the first pure muscle cars.
Yeah. I got a 64 Impala in the garage being worked on too at my house.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Sanding that one down, getting ready to paint and everything.
No shit, that's cool.
Wife told me no more cars,
Ah, gotcha. I understand.
but I'm already looking at the Novas.
Oh, no kidding?
Yeah.
I did a video of a guy with a Nova here last week. That 65, I think it was.
I'm looking at a 65 Nova. It's not bad shape, it needs some work, but once I get the Impala done, then, you know, work on the Nova if I get it.
Gotcha.
If I live that long.
Right?